Hi and welcome to Bergsicht Country Cottages. This is Outpost 2, a self-catering cabin in Tulbagh, South Africa. I'm gonna show you every part of the cabin, finishing with the amazing bathroom. We start outside with a large covered deck and the barbecue area. Inside we can see the first part of the stylish living room, followed by a fully equipped kitchenette. Now it's time for my favorite view of the cabin. From here we can see the beautiful indoor fireplace, the bedroom and a first glimpse of the bathroom. Before we continue in here, let me show you the wood-fired hot tub outside and the panoramic view you have. Let's use the large and open window to go back inside and to have another great view of the bedroom. Last part of the cabin, the amazing bathroom. It's spacious, stylish and comes with a walk-in double shower. And not to forget the bathtub with a stunning view of the Tulbagh Valley and its mountain ranges. That's it for today. See you next time and thanks for watching. Bye bye.